Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joanna and I am an interpreter. Before I start, thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing and commenting. Thank you guys for being here. I know you could have done something else in that same period of time that you watched my videos, so I'm really grateful. I know it's very few of you, but you guys extraordinary, you're smart, you're inspiring me to make these videos for you that I hope are useful. This is CHC6H12O6. This is the chemical sign or the chemical symbol for glucose molecule. So, as you probably guessed, today we're going to talk about the glucose and particularly diabetes. I prepared this video because I think you guys gonna need it. You as an interpreter need to have this general knowledge about diabetes, what diabetes is, and so. So before I start, I will tell you that I went online and I searched which countries have most diabetes in the world, and the number one is Kiribati. I have no idea where is that. Tabrali, Sudan, and Mauritius with about between 20 and 22, 50% of the population that does have diabetes. Then below 20% of the population, about 19 and lower, this is Pakistan, Egypt, Belize, Malaysia, Arab Emirates, and so on. USA, it's number 43 on the list of diabetic disease. It's about 10%, 80 of the population that have it. What I find really fascinating and really interesting about diabetes, it was the fact that the poor countries where there is no GMO have less than 3%. Exception is UK, but we know that UK forbids GMO, so we have UK, Lithuania, Uganda, Togo, Sierra Leone, and so on. So the countries that use less processed food, that have less added chemical things in the foods, have less diabetes, which makes sense. The reason that I create this training is because I watched the predictions of a diabetes between, they give it between 2010 and 2030. And Middle East and Africa will increase with 95%, Southeast Asia 70%, West Pacific in Europe with about 40% expectations of a diabetes increase. So the name of the diabetes is called diabetes mellitus. Diabetes means from Greece, flowing through, or from Latin, I'm not sure. But mellitus comes from the Greek word and means sweet as honey. Okay, what is diabetes? Diabetes is a disorder in which the body doesn't prepare adequate segregation and use of insulin, which means that the body production of the insulin, it's not in balance with the body needs. What is insulin? This terminology. Insulin is hormone that is produced in our liver by beta cells. Now, it's produced in our pancreatic islets. Islets are some specific type of cells separate of the surrounding cells. So, repeating, insulin is hormone produced by beta cells in our pancreas. And this is the main anabolic hormone of the body. Interesting. Okay, what is the function of the insulin? The insulin helps to control the glucose in the blood. So, how it helps to do that? It signalizes to the liver, to the muscle, and to the cells to take glucose in, which means when the cells take glucose in, they make of it energy. I'm sorry, this is my interpreting line. I close it, guys, forgive me. I could have checked it, but I close it. So the insulin, where we were. So if there is no insulin, no energy in the body, right? So the healthy body of a human being naturally adjusts the amount of the insulin to maintain the ideal glucose balance or range in the body. If there is enough insulin in the body, insulin circulating, then the body stores it in the liver. If there is not enough insulin or too much insulin that is storing in the blood, in the cells, and so on, this is creating a diabetes. The symptoms of diabetes are frequent urination, thirst, hunger, high sugar in the blood and in the urine, loss of weight, tiredness, blurry vision, dry and itchy skin, numb feet or hands, not healing wounds, and there could be headache, tiredness, and so on. There is quite a lot of symptoms about it. So this was my general video about what diabetes is. Thank you for being here. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing. This is a general information about what insulin is. Stay tuned for the next video. We are going to talk about the most common type of diabetes and how we handle it here and what you need to know as an interpreter. I repeat, guys, you don't need to be precise. I just remember, for example, that insulin is a hormone that is produced in the pancreas. We know the function, helps metabolism, and we know that if we're healthy, this balance is something that your body discover itself. Thank you for being here. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing. That was about diabetes. Stay tuned for video number 2 about the most common types of diabetes. Thank you. Bye-bye.